TV. Can ik ever nou de kronen mag Oh, Freunde bereins a borgar a spaldin. Can ik ever nou de kronen mag Freunde bereins a borgar a spaldin. Shappa behondi. Shiva was talking on Danny. Kenny had silk shop out Hondi. Shiva was talking on Danny. Kenny got now with a tailor and Linden. Stitch eyed in a buzzy round heaven. Kenny got now with a tailor and Linden. Stitch eyed in a buzzy round heaven. Thank you very much.
Is this on? Yes. The next number is an instrumental. The first tune is Greek, and Stacey discovered it, fell in love with it. It's got quirky rhythms to it. And then it's followed by a slip jig, which I wrote about 2 years ago. I just named it Helena's Jig.
We're quite excited because we've never played with our bass player before. Well, we have, we've rehearsed with him, but this is our first gig as a trio, so we're really happy about that. So, yeah, Greek and Helena's Jig.
next one, thank you very much, is Kate Martin's Waltz, and this was written in the 80s in the Hebrides by Ali Bain and Phil Cunningham.
Yep.
For a friend of theirs called Kate Martin who was getting married that year. So this is Kate Martin's Waltz.
We need to find out if they're still married. I'm sure they still are. It's a really, really great relationship and there's lots of sharing. And anyway, we'll just play the music now. It's a lovely song. I learned it a long time ago. For our Scottish contingent, and then she said she was the only Scottish one. So you can still be a contingent and be one. The next song is in French. The original tune was Breton, and I learned it from a dear friend and really inspirational singer who's sitting on the front row, but I won't identify her because I promised her I wouldn't. It's called À l'accord du palais. It's one of the first things I learned when I began playing folk music. And I did a music degree, met this amazing singer. She introduced me to all this music, and it blew my mind. I'd never played it before then. So, Honiwa, a can guitar, Duskisi, and kind of stale. And it's called À l'accord du palais. It's about a girl in the court, and she has her pick between the prince's son and a little shoemaker. And good girl, she's not a capitalist, she chooses the man with a heart who stitches really beautiful shoes. So maybe she's got a bit of Imelda Marcos in her, but she goes with her heart. And the petit cordonnier is the little shoemaker, so you will listen out for that. It gets a bit kind of crazy later on with rivers underneath the bed, if any of you speak French, and black horses, and it all goes a little bit psychedelic. But we'll stick with the bit with the court, the girl, the prince, the shoemaker, and she chooses the shoemaker.
L'accord du palais, il y a tout souvent deux. L'accord du palais, il y a tout souvent deux. Elle attend d'amoureux, elle attend d'amoureux, elle attend d'amoureux, ne sait que prendre. La 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 la. Elle a l'histoire. Sommeil aux chambres, elle a la histoire. Sommeil aux chambres, un petit cordonnier, un petit cordonnier, un petit cordonnier qui a eu préférence. La 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 la. Lui avait des souliers au Marocain de France. Lui avait des souliers en Marocain de France. La belle si tu voulais, la belle si tu voulais, la belle si tu voulais le coucher ensemble. La 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 la. Toile blanche, dans un grand lit carré, couvert de toile blanche. Aux quatre coins de lit, aux quatre coins de lit, aux quatre coins de lit, qu'elle dérange. La 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 la. Et au-dessous du lit, la rivière est profonde. Et au-dessous du lit, la rivière est profonde. Tous les cheveux noirs, tous les cheveux noirs, tous les cheveux noirs viennent boire en bande. La 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 la. Le noir s'y est noyé, la plus belle bande. Le noir s'y est noyé, la plus belle bande. Si le roi le savait, si le roi le savait, si le roi le savait, ferait la bande. La 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 la.
another instrumental called Glomen, which is the Welsh word for dove. This originally was a song, so it has lyrics, but we've changed it to instrumental. This is probably my favourite one. It's we've given it very sort of ancient sounding harmonies. I've just got to tune my things.
I've got to flick my levers because we go all clever on this one.
The next one is an old tune that Stacey found a while back and thought it was Macedonian, so she's named it Macedonia, and then recently found out that it's from Ukraine, so we should really change it to Ukraine, so do that tonight. There we are.
It's just the cutest little tune. My friend sang it to me down the phone about 20 years ago, note by note. Phone, phone, play, play, phone, phone, play, play, and then I learned it. Met Helena and could finally play it with someone. It's really sweet. much. We've got three more lovely tunes coming. Three more hyfryd and dod. The first one is Scottish. The second one is from America, but I think basically Irish. And then the third one is Scottish again. The first one's called Poppy, Flow and Spike. That's good, I remembered. And I found it on a Van Morrison album years ago. So it's Irish, it's not Scottish. And then the second one's called Bad Hair. And the third one's called Cabbage. Very deep, profound names. Yeah. Nope, that was completely the wrong introduction. We're going to play something completely different. It's not that at all. So strike that. We're going to play two tunes. One's called Brenda Stubbart and the other's by a band called Sugar Nifty. First tune's Scottish. Second tune, I think, although the band is Scottish, I think it's from another planet. It's a mad tune, we really like it. So this is Brenda Stubbart and Sugar Nifty. But the other introduction will be useful later, so we will play that. I was just giving you extra for now.
one Stacey and I worked on when we first met. It's basically a love song written ages ago, and we've basically put our own melody to it. It does have its own melody, but we've chosen to do a different melody over, say, words.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Ni'n caru y can nesaf, we really love the next one. It's called America. And it's all about the amazing trip that a lot of Welsh people made hundreds of years ago. Like people were leaving Ireland for America and Scotland for America, and a lot of people left. Now, llawer o pobl yn gadael Cymru hefyd, loads of people left Wales as well. And this is their story. And there is an original traditional Welsh tune for it, but I found a different one that existed already, an Irish one. I couldn't believe that all the notes fitted all the words like it was meant to be. It was lovely. It talks about crossing the sea, talks about the incredible journey they made, talks about them arriving in this amazing new land where you could do anything. There were not so many restrictions, there was lots of freedom, and they were really happy to survive the journey. So this is America. Ar ôl eich mynedd dros y dŵr, trwy'r dirfawr stwr a stormydd, perygl mawr, môr anglaeth o diweddaeth llawenydd. Cadwch gwenydd, ceirch a haid hefyd, faidd ysbeiliol, na mynd trwy drais mewn llys na llan, a ddegfer ran ohono. Cewch gadw llwy ac oed i gyd, a llaw o hyd yn fodlon, heb ail eich don ymlaen am hyn o flaen yr Inquisition. Cewch godi'ch goedd, heb neb yn gros a phob i nos Glangeia, mor hyfryd byw o dan y nen yn halaeth Pennsylvania. Does son o neb yn canu clych, yn fawr i grach am daliad, na neb yn dweud ein yn hir o flaen yr addoliad na carian, cwrw ond ddifael, roen o gael i dalu. Neb am ddod o bryd i bryd, I llan yn gyd i'w ganu. Okay, we're going to carry on with another song. We're going to do a lovely song called Chwarae, which means playing. The original words are written by Waldo Williams, beautiful Welsh poetry, beautiful Welsh poet. And they say, Pan fydd yr haul yn troi a gwynt heb wrth green when the sun's shining and the wind isn't blowing too strong. We'll go and play in the field. And then it says later on, Os daw mlaen I gawod, if it starts to rain, we'll have to go in the barn, and then we'll pretend to play something else. We'll pretend to be playing going to town. So they're outside playing inside, and then inside playing outside. So this is Chwarae.
Winter puthyn gri Bydd mair a fi a deo bach i'r cae I chwarae ti Mae wal yn res o gerig a llestri ar y set Bydd mair yn feist dros trwy brynawn a nynau dod I weld Os dawn mlaen yn gawod fe ninnau'n afited Rhaid fedig mewn y storos bach a chwarae mynd i'r dref Pensach o flawd yn ceffil fe byddw an o'n chwap Fydd mair yn gofyn sians am lift cyn dringo lan I tra Mae wal yn res o gerig a llestri ar y sel Bydd mair yn meist dros trwy brynawn a ninnau dod I weld Os daw mlaen yn gawod fe ninnau'n afited Rhaid fedig mewn y storos bach a chwarae mynd i'r dref Pensach o flawd yn ceffil fe fyddw yn chwaith Fydd mair yn gofyn sians am lift cyn dringo lan i'r traeth
Thank you very much for listening. Our last one now is a combination of 3 tunes. The first one is called Boffy, Flow and Spike, Irish. The second one then is called Bad Hair, which was written in the 1980s, believe it or not. And that one was written in Great Portland. And the third one then is called Cabbage, and that one is a Scottish traditional one.
It's the intro I gave you earlier, so you had 2 for passing. So thank you, diolch yn fawr iawn, and we're Elfyn, and we're just really grateful you liked it. Thanks very much, diolch.